In this video, I shall tell you how to deal with the degeneracy in a linear programming problem in operations research while doing the sums with the Simplex method. Now, but before I start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as these videos will be useful in your exam times in order to solve your different kinds of problems. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos, important videos. So I've taken an example. Maximize z is equals to 3x1 plus 9x2, x1 plus 4x2 is less than equal to 8, x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 4. So in order to convert this inequalities into equalities, I would add the slack variables, and here 0s1, 0s2, and here 0s1 and 0s2 here, and I would thereby convert the inequalities into equalities, and this is 8 and 4. And now I move on to the table, the simplex table, the basic variable quantity x1, x2, s1, s2, and the minimum ratio column. So for a detailed video on simplex, you can watch a video on simplex on my YouTube channel. So in this case, I've made a playlist of different simplex videos. So in that case, you can refer to that video for complete details. So s1, s2 are the basic variables. So the value in the objective function cj is 0, 0, and I put in the rest of the values. The quantity column 8 and 4, these are the values that come in the quantity column. x1, for the first equation, it is 1, 4 and 1, 2, and this is 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is always a matrix which is an identity matrix, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is an identity matrix. And then I go to zj. So zj is my contribution, is my total contribution, and the opportunity cost, as I told you earlier also, it is the cost of investing in some other opportunity, in some other option. So the opportunity cost, if the cost increases, we won't go in for that. If the cost decreases, since the objective in OR is to minimize the cost, we don't go in for objectives where we are maximizing our cost or we are minimizing our profits. So here, since it is the maximization case, so we won't go in for options which reduce our profits, so and increase the opportunity cost. So in this case, this is 0, this is 0, this multiply with this plus the 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4, and this is for the entire chain, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1, 0 into 4 plus 0. So this entire thing is 0. Zj minus cj minus zj is 3, 9, 0, 0. And since I have to reduce my cost, so I'll enter the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is 3, 9. These are positive values. This means that the opportunity cost, that the cost is increasing by exercising these options, which you do not want in OR. In OR, the objective is to reduce the cost. So this becomes my key column, and this becomes my entering variable. Now to find out the existing variable, I'll find out the minimum ratio column. The formula for the minimum ratio is quantity divided by your values of the key column, the corresponding values of the key column. So this is 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here minimum ratio column, we select the minimum positive value, but in this case both the values are 2 and 2. So in this case, the problem of degeneracy arises. So this situation is called as degeneracy in case of simplex problem, and so this is a situation of degeneracy. And how to resolve degeneracy, I'll come up with another video on that. So this is the problem of degeneracy and how to resolve it. Stay tuned for resolving the problem of degeneracy, and in my next video I shall tell you how to resolve it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.